There are many things in the world that generate a feeling of joy, but a famous one is when you do something good and touch someone else's heart with an act of kindness. When doing something good, it often creates a warm, fuzzy feeling inside. So, one way to train our mind to be happy is to recall this feeling from when you do an act of kindness. Now, when you are ready, gently close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths, breathing in the clean, calm, refreshing air, and breathing out any thoughts or worries. We will start by using a light focus to bring our mind to the center, where joy typically radiates after doing a good deed. As you keep your mind centered, recall an act of kindness you did that you feel good about. It can be an act of charity, helping out a friend, or just going the extra mile at work to help a customer. Anything that made even a small difference in someone else's life. Recall how you felt when doing this deed. The warmth, the happiness, the joy of making someone else's day worthwhile. Bring your attention to that feeling of happiness and joy, letting it radiate from your center and brighten your mind. Just breathe in, breathe out, allowing your mind to be with this feeling of joy. Now, let us continue in silence. Now, let us take in one more deep breath and slowly and gently coming back. Take your time. You don't need to completely come out yet. Notice how you feel right now. Letting the mind be happy. Letting yourself be happy. Simply by recalling a good deed you've done in the past that made your mind joyful. If you couldn't conjure up a feeling of happiness using this technique, don't worry. You will get better at it with practice.